Board of Directors, ONGC. It's an honor and a privilege to be here, especially as it's your 60th ONGC Day. And it's a bigger honor to be presented a bus which is the fulfillment of a 6-year-old dream that Shaila and I have always had. A dream which wanted to see every child on the street without a begging bowl. A dream which wanted to see children on the street with not a ragpicker sack, but a bag full of books. To replace the begging bowl with a pencil. To give them skills, to teach them computer literacy. To bring the marginalized children onto the mainstream. To level the playing field for our underprivileged children. So thank you, sir. This is a fulfillment of a huge, huge dream for us. Asra Trust was born of the dream that both of us have had of wanting to take children off the streets into mainstream schooling. So Asra Trust initiates children into basic literacy. We give them nutrition. We do nutrition for children all day. They get bananas, milk, full meals. We do medical care for all our children. Daily medical care and immunization, deworming, medical supplements. Computer literacy is a mandatory part of Asra education. And with the mobile school, we are hoping, because we are going to put this, I liked your sentence about meaningful education. In Asra, meaningful education to us means not just filling an empty cup, but igniting the fire within. So we will start with the mobile school with children who do not go to school at all, who ragpick till from 6 a.m. to 11:30. At 11:30, no school takes them. They have money in their hands, and that is when they are most vulnerable to the negative influences of the street. And they are not allowed to leave their slum community. So the mobile school will go to them because they can't go to school. And in this bus, we will be putting in computers, laptops, a projector, screens, puzzles, games, anything and everything which is activity-based learning, anything which fires their imagination, which engages their attention, because it's not going to be easy, sir, because to take a child away from begging or ragpicking takes us about 9 months. So, it can be a rebirth. 9 months is the birth. So it's actually a rebirth for the children because it takes us at least that much time. And it's not just stopping a bus and then the children hop on. We will have outreach team members on the bus we have segregated areas where children are maximum on the roads and in the community. The outreach team will first go and win the trust of the children, because to win the trust of a street child is the most difficult thing. After we have won their trust, then we will engage them and entice them with activity-based learning. And hopefully, within a year and a half, because these children who we are targeting are actually bright. They've been dealing with money since they were, little toddlers. And they all want to learn. But their parents push them into ragpicking. Now, there's no harm in ragpicking, except that they miss out on an education. And they'll remain ragpickers all their lives. So the entire aim of Asra Trust is to mainstream them, teach them a skill. We have children paraplegic beggars who are now skilled block printers and they're doing stitching and sewing. We've got now a complete computer center given to us by Help Alliance. So we're going to take up computer literacy. We are also, as we are growing, and thankfully with ONGC holding our hand, because Asra Trust is very small and we need a big brother holding our hand, we want to bring in more and more vocational training for the children so that they can acquire literacy, acquire computer skills, and stand on their own feet. And in Asra, we really believe in the children learning by doing. So, thank you so much. We started in 2009 with just 20 children. 6 years later, we have 850 children. And we now have a staff of 65. So earlier it was just Shaila and me on the roads. We used to put in 1,000 rupees each and get little pencils and slates and feed the kids. So it is our passion, our determination, our love for the children, God's grace. And if we have you on our side, sir, there's no limit to where we can go. Because there are so many children we can reach out to, sir. So many children. You know, ever since infrastructure development took place in Dehradun, we've got migrant laborers from all over the country who go off to do daily wage earning, and the children are on the streets. And it is sad because it's going to be a waste of a life if they're on the street. So thank you for helping us to fulfill our dream, to realize our dream. Thank you so much.